Now I've got to effect a little repair here where the corner has gone out of the chair. So I'm just going to create a triangular spline. I always use my best chisels for this, which are my Japanese laminated steel chisels. The edge you can get on them is much far superior to any of the normal chisels, like marbles or so. Now I just want to do the bare amount, so I have a piece cut there. And that's what I have there, that's it. Keep this very, very simple now. Just make sure that that's flat. I actually notice flat literally by touching it. Just let the back side of the chisel little bit in it there. So I'm just going to get my block plane. Let's give it a little bit gentle persuasion there. And once the piece doesn't rock on it, once there's no rock, I've got it. So all I'll do is let's just scratch that. And I scratch the back of this. I'll get my glue. My glue on that there. My glue on this here. Whoop! Nearly Murphy's Law there. I'll just rub that. And what I do is I keep rubbing it until it gets stiff. And the purpose of that is I squeeze out all the air out between the two pieces of wood, and the glue creates, is push out all the bubbles, all the air, and it's actually as tight now. Just rub the glue off it. And what we've created there is a vacuum joint, so there's no air in there. We've sucked all the air out. And just to give a little bit of hold, tiniest bit of masking tape around it like that. I don't want to break the seal of the vacuum, so I just put it there to hold it. Come back in that in the morning, clean it down. That's that end of the leg done. So that's just affecting a little wedge repair at the corner where it is chipped off. It'll give it a visual effect. You can see I have another one here this side. And again, I'm just going to do the very same thing. I take the minimum amount. I'm going to take the minimum amount off there. Again, I'll just try my block plane. It's a bit short here now, but it'll do it. Whoop! Very controlled movement. I can't afford to do that to rock the block plane. Now, as I said, that's nice and flat. I just come along here and I put this guy on there like that. Again, just rely on a vacuum. Now I didn't score that time off, just forgot it. However, we put on that there, and we rub, keep rubbing over and back, over and back, over and back. You'll find that it'll get very stiff. And when it gets very stiff like that, you've created a vacuum. Now you don't really need masking tape on it, it's just there. You don't go messing with the joint. It's the actual air gone out of it that's creating the vacuum. That'll hold it, and when the glue sets, you've got a rock solid joint. So that's that. That's the two little repairs onto the end of that leg. Come back on them in the morning, clean them out, and that's just splicing repairs to the leg. Okay, so I leave that guy there, over and out.